Welcome back to Math Solver 1117. Look at this equation on the board, that is t raised to power 6 equals 4 raised to power 6. At first glance, it looks incredibly simple. But most people look at this, cancel out the powers, and confidently say that the value of t equals 4. But guess what? If you do that on your exam, you are going to lose points. In today's video, we are going to uncover the hidden trap behind this simple looking algebraic problem and find the complete solution. If you want to master math tricks like this, make sure to hit the subscribe button right now. Question is t raised to power 6 equals 4 raised to power 6. So how we will start solving this? First of all, we will apply here a method 1. Method 1 gives us that you have to take the sixth root. Take the sixth root on both sides. So 6t power 6 and 6 4 raised to power 6. To solve this algebraically, the quickest way to take sixth root on both sides of the equation, when we apply an even root to cancel out an even power, we must introduce a plus or minus sign to the other side. So this is applied when we give a even root. This immediately split our problem into two distinct real roots. What will we get? We get x equals 4 and x equals minus 4. Now this is the first method. Now we apply the method 2. What will be the method 2? In which we do the factorize. How we will do the factorization? We solve this as 3 raised to power 6 minus 4 raised to power 6 equals 0. What will it become? T cube and its square minus t cube 4 cube and its square we can write as. Now in this point we will apply two basics formulas here. First one is a square minus b square equals what? A minus b into a plus b. So by applying this method we will solve this further. It will become t cube minus 4 and the t cube plus 4 and both are equal 0. So this gives us two pathways. First is t cube equals 4 cube and the other pathway gives us that t cube equals minus 4 cube. So when we solve this, this will give t equals 4 and this equals t equals minus 4. These are the values. Now we get the two answers, t equals 4 or 2 equals minus 4 or t equals plus minus 4. So when you see an even power in equation, don't just grab the positive value and walk away. Always remember it has also a negative twin. If you found this quick math breakdown helpful, give this video a huge thumbs up and share it with your classmates. Before you go, here is a quick challenge for you. What is if equation is? In the last, I will give you a challenge. That is, first I write the answer is plus minus 4. Challenge question for all of you is t raised to power 5 equals 4 raised to power 5. How many real solutions are for it? So, do you drop your answer in the comment section below? Thank you for watching Math Solver 1117. I will see you in the next video. Keep learning, keep growing, stay tuned.